members are here. They never have the ones that have yellow. I tried this one. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, that's what they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Are you proud of what you just did now?
I didn't do this.
You proud?
Big. There's always like.
So this one is your own, Nabi? This one that is ugly, like this is your own, and that one is my own.
This one.
Angel's own. This angel's own.
This.
No, this mommy's own. This mommy's own. That is own. This is yours.
This is definitely mine. If bubbles around me. The bubbles don't see me cry.
It's not by your.
It's alright.
It's alright? What's this shaped like though? Well done. This one is very cute. I like this one, and this one I'll eat.
That's not even the cutest, to be fair.
That's the cutest one. This one.
The cutest one is
and this one, the second one, yeah?
No.
This one, this one.
Close to my own.
This one?
Yeah.
Like it brown, yeah? We're about to go to the cinema now, but we might have dinner first off before we go to the cinema. By the way, just finished swimming, you guys, and my siblings are there. They're taking pictures. Let me show you guys. You guys ready? Let's go. At this point, we need to stop coming to this restaurant because we come here all the time. So my brother went to report, and now they're spraying the whole cinema. Say hi, guys. Mommy. Hi. Hello.
Okay, let's try this. Oh wow.
Did you enjoy that movie? I also feel like the movie is not supposed to end that way, to be honest. You need to see part 2. But I did enjoy it. For 12, it's so cold, man. It's almost 12 a.m.
Breakfast at Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. I myself all of my favorite things. Been through some bad, I should be a savage.
Oh no, there's no more.
On the next episode of
What is that pose? What is that style all about? It's video.
To be honestly